My people, wahala be like bicycle. Nothing Musa no go ever see for this gate where he be the guide. We never even enter main. Now so everybody just they collect left, right, center. So this man don't come out, they call out Phyna, say, I double dare you to talk bad about Davido again. And I will share what we did in the past to the general public. I will tell the whole world what you do when you be day street before you enter Big Brother Naija. My Phyna dey inside serious soup as it is now, cause this guy they talk like person wey get enough evidence. Allegedly allegedly no be me they talk am, na this guy they talk everything wey they speak for here. Before we continue, make we hear wetin he talk.
Phyna, remember what we have shared together, even when you're still coming to my house with the knack, you dey go back your parents' house, everything where we do together. Phyna, you don't forget. I swear to you that if anybody talk about Davido, I feel spoil that person name for life. Tina, since where you enter Big Brother Naija house come out, you block me for all the social media. You forgot all we have shared together. I know how much I borrowed from my friends, collect from my mom, my dad, to pay for this your Big Brother Naija stuff where you enter. You come out, you forget me. Just like I told you that if you come out of this Big Brother Naija house, you definitely forget me. Just like the way Jesus told Peter. Peter denied Jesus. The same way you denied me. After all I have been through because of you, and now after swearing to you that I will spoil anybody name that talk about Davido, since you came out of Big Brother Naija house, it has always been Davido. You just want to get to me, but I don't still send you. I no blow, you don't make the money. But I tell you, say, if you talk about OPO once more again, I go post videos, post a lot of things about you where people go hate you for life. You remember what you they do for street back then? You remember how streets be back then, the life where they live for street back then. Phyna, be warned for the last time. As you leave me for street, make it be like that.
The way internet just dey hot since last week, ranging from wizkid, Davido, Don Jazzy, Parava down to this Phyna own now. Nobody dey safe now, no. Better they hide your head. Hello. My people, do you think this guy is speaking the truth? Do you think he knows Phyna? Do you think, as he said, that he's Phyna's ex-boyfriend, truly he is? Or is one of all these cloud chasers looking for Phyna's face, looking for Phyna's attention so that Phyna will notice him? Do you think he's cloud chasing? Drop your opinion for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more Wenge news with the tutorial body. When I see they do for here for my page now, apropos news with they share. For my page, no dull moment at all. If you are new to my page, you're welcome. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Cindy Gist TV. Do well to like, comment, share my videos. It give me one kind of encouragement to continue. And scroll down, you will definitely see interesting videos that will hook you to watch. Okay? Don't forget to stay safe out there. Ngwanu, bye.